So I have come to the University of Southampton for my Masters of Business Administration, essentially to pivot my career from marketing to consulting.
So I come from an IT background and I want to be an IT architect. And a big part of IT architecture is understanding the role that the business plays in IT and vice versa.
I am a legal practitioner by training. At a point in my time, I just thought of, going for a better opportunity, career advancement and growth.
To international and global trips is what actually attracted me to come to the University of Southampton, actually.
I did find the university to be competitive in that compared to other MBA programs. Alongside with that was the proliferation of one-year MBAs versus 2 in other countries.
Southampton is amazing, is warm, is, the sea view. People are always willing to support, and especially, the lecturers at University of Southampton Business School.
They have designed the program in a way that you can explore different aspects of different subjects and topics.
Accounting lectures, corporate finance, leadership skills. My leadership lecture was really, really amazing.
I think the first thing that comes to mind definitely is the confidence in leadership and management. And a big part of that was the leadership development program that we had underlying the rest of the classes and the lectures that we did.
What I really love about the Southampton Business School is the fact that you have the opportunity to go for, international trips.
They took us to Netherlands and we visited about 3 to 4 companies. The second trip was in Dubai, which was around consultancy projects.
I think the consultancy project is the big selling point, the main theme of this program. Not only did we get to work with real companies solving real problems for them, but we were able to actually travel to Dubai, meet with the companies and give them a presentation on the work we were doing.
For me, it has really developed the leadership skill in me, the communication skill, how to network, how to really connect with people.
I come from a background where I wasn't doing typical management, but coming into this class and learning more of the theoretical side of leadership and how to motivate and how to develop teams and things like that really helped me build the confidence I needed to be able to graduate here and be very confident that I can apply for leadership roles in a company.